Hello, a few questions now on finding the general solution of equations. First we have tan theta equal to root 3. The principal solution of tan theta equal to root 3 is simply theta equal to pi over 3. So if you do tan inverse of root 3, we'll get pi over 3 or 60 degrees. So using our formula, the general solution and you would have seen this if you looked at my previous videos published last night. So the general solution is pi over 3, and we had a multiple of pi, and where n belongs to a set of integers. I urge you to substitute values of n and to confirm for yourself whether this infinite set of angles satisfy the equation tan theta is equal to root 3. Always check your work. It's a very useful thing to do, especially in mathematics. Next we have tan theta is equal to 1 over root 3, or the reciprocal of root 3, or the principal solution is again pi over 3. Sorry, not pi over 3, but pi over 6. So our general solution is theta pi over 6 and multiple of pi, where n belongs to a set of integers. Again, check for various positive and negative values of n to ensure that whatever you arrive at as theta, if you find tan of that angle, you should get the reciprocal of root 3. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be doing a few more examples in the next few videos. Bye for now.